Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this story to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to be regular in working more hard for you. So friends, let us start the day to analyze the movements of natural gas futures. So friends, here you can see a daily chart of natural gas futures. As I've already given my last video in the same chart where I explained that why an opening inside the Ichimoku cloud could result in a sharp upward rally. So here you can see that on the first trading session of the last week, the natural gas futures found an opening inside the Ichimoku cloud on December 14. But since then, the natural gas futures have been facing stiff resistance at the levels of $2.7, whereas you can see that inside the Ichimoku cloud, the main resistance is at the levels of $2.727. Here you can see that how the natural gas futures tried to breach this resistance of $2.727 during the last two trading sessions of the last week. So here you can see that how the natural gas futures tried to breach this level on last Thursday and Friday but could not. Here you can see that on Friday the natural gas futures closed the week in a positive territory. So here I find that a gap up opening on the first trading session of the upcoming week could push the natural gas futures towards the next target of $3, but the level of $3 is also a psychological resistance for natural gas futures. Here I find that a system move above the levels of $3 could push the natural gas futures up to the levels of $3.4, from where we could see some sell-off, where a sharp downward move below the levels of $3.232 could push the natural gas futures back up to the levels of $2.7. So friends, here you can see that I have marked this zone from the levels of $2.767 on the upper side, and on the lower side the level of $2.585 seems to be a decisive zone for natural gas futures. Here I find that a breakdown below the levels of $2.585 could push the natural gas futures towards the levels of $2.3, where the 200 days exponential moving average could provide a strong support, as we have seen here during the past few trading sessions. But the natural gas futures found good support at the 200 days exponential moving average on December 8th, from where we witnessed a sharp upward move. So friends, here I find that if the natural gas futures find a gap down opening on the first trading session of the upcoming week below the levels of $2.634, the natural gas futures could find an immediate support at the lower end of Ichimoku cloud, which is at the levels of $2.6, but a breakdown below the levels of $2.585 could push the natural gas futures up to the levels of $2.387, where the second support can be seen at the 200 days exponential moving average, and the last support will be at the 200 days moving average, which is at the levels of $2.1. So friends, here this will be my decisive zone for natural gas futures for the opening session of the upcoming week. Will be very decisive, because if the natural gas futures finds a gap up opening on the first trading session above the levels of $2.777, natural gas bulls could be very aggressive during the whole week, because we have just 4 trading days during the next week. But still I find that the last bullish move of the season is still left. So here I find that the natural gas futures could try this last bullish move before the end of this month. So friends, be ready to see an action in natural gas futures during the upcoming week, but remain cautious, because the natural gas futures could remain very volatile during the upcoming week, because the time duration is very limited. During the upcoming week we have just 4 trading sessions, but I find that if the natural gas futures sustain above this uptrend line during the upcoming week, we could find the natural gas futures could try to sustain above the levels of $2.823 during the first 2 trading sessions, where I find that a sustained move above this level could push the natural gas futures towards the levels of $3. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.